Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Bonk update today. So Bonk is pretty down, pretty low, thanks to Bitcoin making it all the way down to $55,000. And right now, Bitcoin is on a monthly 10 EMA support, and let's just hope that this one holds up on the higher time frame. Bitcoin is still on an uptrend, and I'm still bullish. All right, I'm still bullish. I'm not negative about the market. This crash, in my opinion, is two things. Number one is temporary. Number two is that good opportunity, right? That's how I see things right now. Good opportunity and something that is temporary. That's all. I'm not going to say anything else. For me, these are just normal scenarios. Nothing big, nothing surprising. It doesn't scare me even one little bit. As only if I didn't need money urgently and I'm actually down and I'm going to sell in a loss, that could have been a bother to me, but I have the time to wait. So I'm going to use the time to my best advantage. And the thing is that now you did break a little bit, you're coming down again, and it does look like you're holding down to this particular retest. So let's hope you end up coming and holding up this parallel channel, not parallel, but just a channel that is actually going sideways. So you've actually had a move up, coming down like this, move up again, and you're coming down. So your next buying opportunity can actually be at 1803, and 1803 can touch a little bit and maybe consolidate for a while, and then you start to see the market slowly recovering and go back up to the moon one more time. So if you start to close below the channel itself, that can actually be very, very dangerous, and you might actually just drop all the way down even until here, which is probably 10,000, and that's going to be the biggest support you have. 960 is probably going to be the one. Let's just hope you don't go there. You're still pretty down at the moment, so hopefully get a little bit of a touch here and maybe try to go back up again. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.